Hello everybody and welcome to my new episode on how to fix lag on Instagram. So basically, you might ask what's lag on Instagram. So lag on Instagram, it's when you open a reel, like I'm gonna do in the screen right now, and you find a video that is glitching. The video is repeatedly stopping, I don't know. But the first thing you're going to do is gonna check your internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi isn't working properly, just switch to your mobile data. Then, if that doesn't work, then no, I'm gonna show you the second thing to fix that. You're gonna need to go at the settings. After you go at the settings, just type Instagram. After you see Instagram app info, Instagram, type that, press that, and scroll down. And when you see storage, click that and just clear. Don't clear data. Sorry, my bad. Do the other one. After you did that, now go back, and as you can see in my screen, it says force stop. Just press that, and you're gonna be